Okay, and Subject George is gonna spin the wheel first. What will he land on? Oh, it's going. Oh, looks like a King Kong. So we have to look at that King Kong image and find it in our box. So looking at our giant surprise box. There it is. George, punch it in. Okay, George did the hard work. Let's see what's in here. Oh, what in the world is that? Oh, it's a stink bomb. Oh, disgusting. But look, there was 2 of them. Okay. Oh, and these stink bombs were sent to me by my friends at Tomy to review for you guys. They are awesome, and they make noise, and they stink. Oh, gross. So it says, join the farty. So, look, here's all the different ones you could get and 2 surprise ones. So there's actually 10 different ones. They make farting noises, and they really stink bad. Okay, so let's see what's in there. These things are so awesome. So it is a stink bomb. You go ahead and open it, and you get this little pamphlet here. It says Stink Bombs, Tomy, and it shows all the different ones. And then they are in blind bags. So let's go ahead, open this guy up, and let's see. Who do we've got? We have... So this one we have Pooh Berry. Listen, these things actually fart. They are awesome, and they smell like a fart. I mean, they are so cool. These are like, they're soft plush toys that make farting noises, and they stink like a fart. Ah! And let's see which one we get in the next stink bomb. Ah! These are awesome, guys, and they make great practical jokes too. Ooh, we got a creepy looking one here. Who do we got? Let us see. It is... looks like a groaner. So listen. I mean, they're not super loud. And... ooh. Whoo. That one stinks. Wow. Boy, he's a real stinker. Oh, these are awesome, guys. Anything to do with stinking farts is cool with me. And now it's Kong's turn to spin the wheel. Oh, don't break it, Kong. I said spin it, not break it. Okay, where are we going? Oh, you gotta spin again, buddy. Ah, you gotta do a better job than that. There we go. Spin it again. Oh, and again. Kong is not having very good luck here. I hope he doesn't get angry. Up again. Oh, he's getting angry now. Stop. Okay, we have a Rampage one. Awesome. Let's go ahead, zoom in on that, and find it on our box. Okay, when we look at our giant box, it's in the top left-hand corner. Go for it, Kong! Easy there, buddy. And what was in there? Whoa, we've got 3 separate ones. These are breakfast monsters. And these were sent to me by my friends to review for you guys. These are Heidi Kenny's Breakfast Monsters mini plush. It's so cool. The box looks like a mini cereal box. It says 1 series, part of a completely scary breakfast. These are awesome, even just the boxes. And here is the 3 of them you could get. Let us see if we could get them all. Ooh, and these are blind bags also. Cool. So you can't see what's inside. Heidi Kenny's Breakfast Monsters mini plush. Who do we got? Ooh. This guy is Ogre Orange. That is awesome. So they're cool mini plush characters. This guy even has a little bit of an orange smell, so cool. Let's see what was in the other ones. Okay, our next breakfast monster mini plush is... Drum roll, please. What is it? Ooh, cool. So this one is a zombie donut. He's got like a big, like, bloody spot or something on his head. So these are like fuzzy cute monsters. They're not scary monsters. Okay, what was in our next one? So the next breakfast cereal one was Breakfast Monsters mini plush. Who do we got? Oh my goodness, that looks scary. What is this? This is a spider sausage. Spider sausage. Are you serious? It's like, I'm your spider sausage, ready for breakfast. So we've got 3 of them so far. We'll have to keep seeing if we could get all of them. Okay, so it is George's turn to spin again. Oh, try again, George. Try again. Oh, George is not having very good luck here. Looks almost like that wheel is rigged. Oh no, I hope not. Okay, looks like George finally got something. So here we've got a King Kong one fighting Godzilla. King Kong versus Godzilla. And when we look at our giant surprise box, that is on the bottom left-hand corner. Go for it, George. Punch it, rip it, break it. Will this be the gross, icky slime? No, it's a stink bomb. And the second one. And let's go ahead and open up this. Oh! Oh, that's a real stinker! Okay, who are we going to get today? I hope we get something different than the other one. Oh, I'm seeing, it looks almost like a red color through here. Oh, it looks different. Yes, it is. Ho ho ho! Listen. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that is gross. It smells like a fresh fart. Oh, that is so disgusting. Today we have spicy. Oh, and they're so cute and squeezable. These are like bean bags. You could actually use them in a beanbag game after you open them if you want. Okay, let's see who was in the other one. And in the other one, we had... Oh. Oh, is this one gonna be different? It looks almost blue inside. Oh, yep, we've got a different one. Let us see what sounds this one makes. That is awesome. And what does this smell like? I'm almost scared to see. This one smells like a chocolate fart. It smells like a fart, but it has a chocolate smell to it. So that is really cool. Okay, so far we've got 4 different ones. Let's see if we can get them all. Okay, and it is Kong's turn to spin. Go for it, Kong. Just don't break it this time. Oh, that was weak. Come on. You could do better than that. There we go. Okay, so let us see. Which picture do we have? Okay, so there we have King Kong pulling a plane out of the sky. And where is that in our giant surprise box? There it is, the top right hand corner. Go for it, Kong. Oh, come on, you stronger than that. You can't rip paper. Haha, there we go. And what was in there? Oh, it's 3 more breakfast monsters. So we have 3 more chances to get new breakfast monsters. Let us see who we're going to get this time. Oh, is it a new one? Yes, it's a new one. And who is this guy? This guy is the Mummy Muffin. Mummy Muffin. I love these names. I don't know who comes up with these, but they are awesome and really cool plush characters. Okay, and the next one is... Uh-oh. Breakfast monsters. Who is it going to be? Oh, we have this one already. This is the spider sausage. So we have a double. Uh-oh, I think that means hopefully we could get them all. That would be nice. I would like to see all of them, because these are awesome, even just the boxes. Oh, and another one we have. Again, this is the zombie donut. And it's George's turn to spin again. Oh, who will he get? Oh, and it stopped first time. Good job, George. So over there, George has landed on George. So there's a rampaging George there. And where on our giant box is the George? There it is, bottom right hand corner. Go for it, George. Haha, good job. And what do we have in there? Ah, it's the slime. Disgusting. Ah, this is gross, disgusting, gooey slime I showed you guys how to make in yesterday's video. Ah, it's everywhere. Okay, so George got slimed. Yeah. Kong, it's your turn. Oh, try again, Kong. Oh, I hope he gets something. He's getting upset. No, he might break our wheel. Oh no! Please get something, Kong. Oh no! Come on, Kong! You can do it! Okay, we have a Rampage monster. So there you could see, it looks like a very scary Rampage George. Let us find that image on our box, and it is in the top middle. Go for it, George. George, you are embarrassing. Come on, you can't do that with one punch. Sorry, my bad. I meant Kong. You can't do that with one punch. What's in here? Oh, it's a stink bomb. And another stink bomb. Okay, let's go ahead and check these out. Oh, Kong, was that you? Oh. I think Kong's gotta go to the bathroom. Oh, I think he just did. Oh, gross. Okay, let's check out what was in here. So, again, join the party. That is awesome. Join the party. Okay, so I think Tommy has a hit on their hands, guys. These things are awesome. Ooh, this is like a yellow ghost. Let's see who we have. And this one is Boom Boom. Boom Boom. That is awesome. Let's listen to Boom Boom. Oops, I made a boom boom. Oh, I'm scared to see what this guy smells like. Oh, it's a fart again. Oh, some of these guys seriously smell like the most disgusting fart. I mean, these are good for tricks. You tell somebody, hey, go ahead, smell this. Wow, and they'll smell and they'll be like, ah. I told my kids to go ahead and smell it, and they were disgusted. So you know, if little kids are disgusted by that, it's pretty gross. Okay, well anyways, let's see. I like these have the pull tab, so you don't have to mess around with cutting them. Uh-oh, what is this guy? This guy is Ripper. He's the Ripper. Hey, rip it, Ripper. This guy sure does rip it. And he's got like sewn over eyes and mouth. And he is a little creepy looking. But let's see what he smells like. Oh man, this guy stinks too. It's almost like a peppermint fart. It's like a smell between a peppermint smell and a fart. Telling you, your kids will love these guys. They are awesome. Okay, and it's George's turn to spin the giant surprise wheel. Go for it, George. Oh, will he get lucky? Nope. Again, George. Oh, almost. Again. Nope. Let's try a little spin. Oh, it stopped right there. No, 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 no. You're going back. That was stopped. The movement of my table knocked it off. So that says Real King, and it shows King Kong in a crown. So if we're looking at our giant surprise box, that would be right over there. The Real King. Go for it, George! Oh, what was that? That was lame. Ah, there we go. And what was in there? Oh, 3 more breakfast monsters. So between the stink bombs and the breakfast monsters, we have awesome toys here. Part of a complete scary breakfast. Are we gonna get something different this time? I don't know. Let us wait and see. Okay, I believe, yes, these had the pull tabs, so you don't have to cut it open. Oh, it looks like something green inside, so it might be something different. Oh, we got something different. What do we got here? We have the Franken Toast. Franken Toast. Oh, I love the job these guys do with the names. So it is a really cool green piece of plush toast. Okay, and our next breakfast monster was... Uh-oh, creepy, creepy, creepy. What's it gonna be? Oh, we have this one twice already. This is the zombie donut. Okay, we gotta start getting some different ones. Come on. Ooh, this is a yellow box. Maybe we'll have better luck with this one. Wonder if the color of the box has anything to do with what's inside. Probably not, but who knows? Oh no! We got another spider sausage. So we are on a run of bad luck. Okay, it's Kong's turn again, and this wheel is getting mighty empty. I hope he doesn't get angry and break our wheel, because he has been kind of aggressive lately. Come on, Kong, spin that wheel. Oh no, he does not look happy. Oh no, 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 no. Come on, Kong, do it again. Oh no, he's gonna punch the wheel. No, don't break our wheel. Ah! Kong is not a happy camper right now. Uh-oh. Oh, that was so close. Oh, did he get one? Oh, yes, he got one. And that is a purple one. It says King Kong. Let's find that in our giant box. Okay, there is our giant box. And where is that King Kong? It's over there in the middle right. Go for it, Kong. Let's see if you could get it with one punch this time. Oh, not quite. Okay, Kong seems to be losing his edge, but let's see what's in here. Oh, a stink bomb! And another stink bomb! Oh, Kong again? Ew! We gotta open these quick because Kong's gotta go! Oh no! Hurry! Open them up! Ah, Kong is making some real big stink bombs here. Ah, I could barely breathe. Ah, it stinks so bad. Come on, Kong. Go to the bathroom and do that. Oh, we got another different one. Awesome. Let's listen to this, guys. That was a long one. Oh, I want to see what this guy smells like. Ah, it's a chocolate fart again. It's like the weirdest smell. It's a fart smell and a chocolate smell. You want it to be good because it's chocolate smell, but it's also a fart. So this one we have Squirmy. Squirmy. Ew, Squirmy. And our next stink bomb is... Which one is it? Will we get a different one? Will we get them all? Oh, it is a different one. Whoa, what is this? Huh. Huh. I can't even tell what that is, but let's listen to him. Oh, nice long one. I like that very high-pitched one. That is awesome. Who do we got here? Okay, so this is Mr. Stinker! And he sure is a stinker. Let's see what he smells like. Oh! Wow. I can't even tell what that smell is, but it is disgusting. And then we had one more, guys. Let's see. Oh, it is a different one. Who is this? Let's listen. That was awesome. Okay, so who was this guy? This guy was Smoogly. So did we get them all? Okay, it looks like we are missing Sweaty and Mr. Stinker. So there's 11 of them, and we've got 9 different ones. You guys can't imagine how bad this smells when they're all together like that. It is gross. So these are the ones that we did get. Guys, this is the perfect gag gift to give somebody. And like I said, you can use these guys as bean bags if you have one of the bean bag toss games, because they are the size of bean bags. Like if that was a board there, just go ahead and throw them right through. Okay, it's George's turn, and since there's only one left, we're not gonna make George keep spinning that wheel. Go for it, George. Can he get it with one punch? Let's find out. Ah, George, you are awesome. Here, what was in there? Ah, 3 more breakfast monsters. Okay, so are we gonna get something different here? I hope so, because I do like these breakfast monsters. They are awesome. Okay, this one looks like it's green inside, so we might have this one. Let us see. Oh, it's another Franken-Toast. Okay, so let's check the next one, see if we can get something different. Ooh, this one looks yellow, I think. No, it's a pinkish color. Oh, yellow and pink. Okay, and this is a different one. This is the Gory Grapefruit. Ooh, cool. They're so soft and plushy too. These are awesome, guys. I like the breakfast monsters, especially the boxes. I mean, they look like little cereal boxes. They're so cool. Oh, that one popped right out. Oh, and it's a different one. Who is this guy? Okay, so this guy is Spilled Milk. Spilled Milk, are you serious? Oh, yes, Spilled Milk will definitely do that to you if you spill it in your car during the summer. Okay, so these are all the different ones that we got, and we are missing 2. We did not get the Vampire Egg, and we did not get the Banshee Bagel.
Want to see more dino videos? Click the subscribe button now.